This video will demonstrate how to properly export files from the ultrasound unit into an external USB drive. First, we will begin by plugging in the thumb drive into one of the two available USB ports on the side of the unit. After a few seconds, a small USB icon will appear on the lower right corner of the screen, confirming that the USB drive has been successfully recognized by the system. Note that if your system contains an additional internal storage device, the USB icon will be present at all times. We will now open the File menu by physically pressing on the File key located on the top row of the keyboard. Using the trackball, we will then navigate to the File Manager and press the Set key in order to make our selection. Once in the File Manager, we can find the selected storage device under Driver. Setting the driver to local disk will bring up the patient folders saved in the unit's internal storage. Likewise, if the unit were to set the driver to A, the File Manager will then display the USB drive's directory. By pressing on the disk attribute key, the system will display the information for the selected drive, such as the available and total storage capacities, as well as the file system format. This is an excellent way to verify whether the USB is configured with an FAT32 file system format. On the left portion of the window, we can find the list of the patient folders saved into the selected drive. If we needed to navigate back to a higher level in the file path, we can do so by double-clicking the ellipses located at the very top of the folder list. Remember that you can always verify the file path at the top of the window. Once we have located the desired patient folder, we will highlight and double-click the Set key in order to display its contents. The file details, such as the file name and type, will be available for the user to see. Additionally, if we're looking to transfer a file with a particular format, we can filter the contents of the patient folder by selecting a file format on the drop-down menu located by the upper right corner of the window. The File Manager also gives the user the option to transfer the entire contents of a patient folder. This can be achieved by ticking the Select All option by the lower right corner of the screen. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will only be transferring the following test file. Once we have made our selection, we will designate the destination disk on the bottom left corner of the window to driver A. Let's go ahead and click on File Send. A new window labeled File Send will now open and allow the user to select or create a folder for the file to be transferred to. We can confirm the destination file path at the very top of the window. Once the correct destination file path has been chosen, we will click OK. The system will automatically prompt a message to remind the user that any files with the same name will be overwritten. We can then go ahead and press Yes to confirm. A progress bar will appear indicating the file transferring process. Once completed, we will be able to find the newly transferred file under the USB drive's directory. We can now close the File Send window by selecting Cancel. To confirm that the file transfer was successful, we can modify the driver to the USB drive, in this case, driver A. We can now navigate to the correct folder and find the recently transferred file. Select the file and click Open. As we can see, the image has been successfully transferred. Thank you for watching.